Dear friends, today's topic is educational podcasting. I am going to discuss how beneficial educational podcasting is as a tool of instruction in classrooms. Educational podcasting can offer several benefits when incorporated into classrooms. It can be accessed anytime and anywhere, making learning more flexible and convenient. Students can listen to podcasts on their own schedules, allowing for self-paced learning. A wide range of educational topics can be explored through podcasts, making it possible to align content with specific curricular goals and student interests. Podcasts cater to various learning styles, including auditory learners who benefit from hearing information. This diversifies the classroom experience and accommodates different learning preferences. Podcasts can expose students to diverse perspectives, voices, and cultures from around the world, broadening their horizons and promoting cultural awareness. Educational podcasting encourages independent learning, enabling students to take responsibility for their education and explore topics that interest them. Podcasts often stimulate critical thinking and active listening skills as students follow discussions, analyze information, and formulate their own opinions. It can serve as valuable on-demand resources for reviewing or revisiting content, which can be particularly helpful for exam preparation. Podcasts can be accessible to students with disabilities through transcription services and assistive technologies, promoting inclusivity. Many educational podcasts cover current events, real-world issues, and practical knowledge, connecting classroom learning to the outside world. Listening to podcasts can foster a sense of self-motivation and curiosity in students, as they often have the autonomy to select content that interests them. Educational podcasts often feature engaging and dynamic content, making learning more enjoyable. They can include interviews, discussions, and storytelling, which can capture students' interest. Podcasts can be used alongside other classroom materials, such as readings and discussions, to create a more comprehensive learning experience. Podcasting can also facilitate teacher-student collaboration, allowing students to create their podcasts, fostering creativity and communication skills. Teachers can also use educational podcasts for their professional development, staying updated on new educational strategies, teaching techniques, and subject matter expertise. Educational podcasting are often free or low-cost resources, which can reduce the financial burden on schools and students. It can be accessed anytime and anywhere, making learning more flexible and convenient. Students can listen to podcasts on their own schedules, allowing for self-paced learning. It's portable and can be accessed via smartphones, tablets, or computers, allowing students to learn on the go. However, it's important for educators to select and integrate educational podcasts thoughtfully into the curriculum, to ensure they align with learning objectives and engage students effectively. Additionally, teachers should guide students on how to critically evaluate and utilize podcast content for educational purposes. I hope this content is helpful for you in using podcasting as a beneficial tool in your lessons. Thank you.